Hello everyone, my name is Shivanshi Jaiswal, a student of class 12th Commerce from Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan, IFCO Phulpur, Prayagraj. Today, I am delighted to present my project for the Viksit Bharat Buildathon 2025 under the theme Atmanirbhar Bharat. The title of my project is Smart Air Purifying Helmet, a breath of safety for Indian farmers. I am presenting this idea as a member of Team BSK Limited. Introduction. Agriculture is the backbone of India's economy, and farmers are the foundation of our nation's progress. However, during agricultural operations such as threshing, harvesting, and pesticide spraying, farmers are continuously exposed to dust, husk, and harmful airborne particles. This constant exposure often leads to respiratory problems, sinus issues, asthma, and long term lung damage. Current protective measures such as cotton mask or cloth covering provide inadequate protection and are uncomfortable during long working hours. To address this health challenge, I have conceptualized the Smart Air Purifying Helmet, an affordable, lightweight, and solar powered innovation designed to ensure clean and safe breathing conditions for farmers working in dusty environment. Problem statement. Farmers and agricultural workers face severe health risk due to prolonged exposure to dust and chemical fumes. The lack of affordable and effective respiratory protection results in frequent allergies and lung infections, reduce work efficiency, long-term respiratory diseases such as asthma or bronchitis. Hence, there is an urgent need for a low-cost, comfortable, and effective air protection system for farmers. Objective: to design a low-cost, farmer-friendly air purifying helmet that filters dust, husk, and pollutants during agricultural activities, ensuring better health, comfort, and productivity. Solution: the Smart Air Purifying Helmet integrates three key components into one device. Number 1. Protective helmet provides head and face protection from dust and debris. Number 2. Mini air filtration unit. A small rechargeable fan draws air through a multi-layer filter, carbon plus HEPA, that removes harmful particles. Number 3. Solar charging panel. A compact solar cell mounted on the helmet powers the fan, reducing dependence on electricity or batteries. The system ensures continuous airflow of purified air inside the helmet, allowing farmers to breathe clean and comfortably even during long work hours. Working principle: air from the surroundings enters the helmet through a small inlet vent. The air passes through filtration chamber with dust and carbon filter. The mini fan circulates purified air inside the helmet for easy breathing. The exhaust vent removes warm air to maintain ventilation. The entire system runs on solar energy, ensuring sustainability and zero operating cost. Material and components: lightweight helmet shell, mini fan, rechargeable lithium ion battery, small solar panel, multi layer filter unit, air vent pipe, and soft inner padding. Outcome: health protection, prevents inhalation of dust, husk, and harmful chemicals. Sustainability: solar powered, environment friendly, and cost efficient. Comfort and efficiency: provides fresh air circulation for longer working hours. Affordability: designed with low cost, easily available materials for rural India. Safety: protect both respiratory and head region from external hazards. Social and economic impact: reduces the incidence of occupational diseases among farmers, increases agricultural productivity by improving worker health, encourages Make in India innovation for rural development, can create new small scale manufacturing opportunity in villages. Future scope: integration of air quality sensor to monitor pollution levels, addition of Bluetooth based communication for group fieldwork, use of biodegradable filter materials for eco-friendly production, expansion to other industries such as construction and mining.